Hello, my dear children. How are you? Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am your Snehal teacher. I welcome all my third standard children in today's English class. And dear children, from today we are going to begin with a new unit, that is unit number 2. And in the beginning only we have a very funny action song, and the name of that song is Can You? So, dear children, let's begin with the song. But how do we begin a new topic? So, before beginning the activities, we always learn or we always read those activities. बघा आपण एखादा नवीन काही ऍक्टिव्हिटी करताना आधी काय आहे ते आपण समजून घेतो. आपल्याला काय करायचंय त्या सेशन मध्ये ते आपण समजून घेतो. So there are three things which you are going to do with me today. That is, first of all, you will listen, then you will repeat after me and sing this song with actions. तुमच्या पुस्तकामध्ये बघा मराठीत पण दिलेला आहे त्यांनी. ऐका, माझ्या बरोबर म्हणा आणि हावभावांसह हे गाणे म्हणा. कळलं? 3 गोष्टी करायच्यात. ऐकायचंय, माझ्या बरोबर म्हणायचंय आणि ऍक्शन्स करून म्हणजे हावभाव करून हे गाणं तुम्ही गायचंय. ओके? इट्स व्हेरी फनी सॉन्ग. आय नो यू ऑल आर गोइंग टू एन्जॉय दिस सॉन्ग. कारण तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना ऍक्शन्स करायला खूप आवडतात हे मला माहिती आहे. त्यामुळे हे सॉन्ग तुम्हाला खूप आवडणार आहे. तर तुम्ही बघता बघता माझ्या बरोबर म्हणायचंय आणि ऍक्शन्स पण करायचे. ओके? सो लेट्स बिगिन विथ द सॉन्ग. सो कॅन यू? इथे प्रश्न विचारतोय आपल्याला एक मुलगा. ओके? त्याचं नाव आपण ठेवूया बंटी. सो बंटी इज आस्किंग सम क्वेश्चन्स. ओके? सो लेट्स रीड व्हॉट बंटी इज आस्किंग अस. Can you hop like a rabbit? Can you hop like a rabbit? Can you jump like a frog? Can you jump like a frog? Can you fly like a bird? Can you fly like a bird? Can you run like a dog? Can you run like a dog? Listen carefully. Once again, I'll sing this poem for you and you will listen carefully and you will repeat me. Okay? You will repeat after me. Can you hop like a rabbit? Can you hop like a rabbit? Can you jump like a frog? Can you jump like a frog? Can you fly like a bird? Can you fly like a bird? Can you run like a dog? Can you run like a dog? There is some more questions which Bunty is asking you. Can you walk like a duck? Can you walk like a duck? Can you swim like a fish? Can you swim like a fish? And at last he is asking something different. And be still like a good child, as still as this. And be still like a good child, as still as this. So these are some questions asked by Bunty to you. बंटीने इकडे तुम्हाला काही प्रश्न विचारले. आता हे प्रश्न आपण वाचले, पण त्याला काय विचारायचंय त्या ऍक्शन्स आता आपण बघूया. वी विल सी व्हॉट ही इज आस्किंग यू टू डू. त्याने तुम्हाला काहीतरी करता येतंय का विचारलंय. ओके? So let's sing this song again line by line. So the first question or the first line, can you hop like a rabbit? Can you hop like a rabbit? Look at the picture. Can you hop like a rabbit? Can you hop like a rabbit? तुम्हाला सशासारख्या उड्या मारता येतात का? येत असतील तर मारायच्या हा लगेच. Can you hop like a rabbit? 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 Next line. Can you jump like a frog? 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 Frog jumping. See here, we do it in school. Can you jump like a frog? Can you jump like a frog? Next question. Can you fly like a bird? 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 Next. Can you run like a dog? 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 Dog is running and you have to run like a dog. Can you run like a dog? Can you run like a dog? Next. Can you walk like a duck? Can you walk like a duck? Can you swim like a fish? Can you swim like a fish? And be still like a good child. As still as this, as still as this. हा सेकंड स्ट्रँजा आहे. आता ह्याच्या एक एक लाईन आपण बघूया. ओके. So the first question from the second stanza is, can you walk like a duck? Can you walk like a duck? Duck कसं walk करतं तसं walk करायचं. Can you walk like a duck? Can you walk like a duck? Then next action, what Bunty is asking you to do? Can you swim like a fish? Can you swim like a fish? See how fish is swimming? Can you swim like a fish? 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 Action करायची आहे. ओके. गाणं ऐकायचं आहे, म्हणायचं आणि ऍक्शन करायची आहे. Can you swim like a fish? Can you swim like a fish? And at last, what Bunty is asking us? Let's read. You listen and be still like a good child, as still as this. And be still like a good child, as still as this. And be still like a good child, as still as this. Still is what? Just look at the picture. That girl is sitting still. And this boy is also sitting still. So to sit still or to be still means to sit calmly without doing any actions. So we have done so many actions. We have hop like a rabbit, we have jump like a frog, we have fly like a bird, we have run like a dog, we have walk like a duck, and we have done swimming like a fish. Now we all have tired, right? So we have to sit still for some time, for some moments. आता आपण केवढ्या साऱ्या ऍक्शन्स केल्या बघा. एवढे सगळं करून झाल्यावर आपल्याला दमायला झालं ना. म्हणून बंटी सांगतो, या शहाण्या मुलांसारखं तुम्हाला शांत बसता येतं का? बसून दाखवा बरं त्याला. And be still like a good child, as still as this. So this was the poem. Can you? बंटीने तुम्हाला हे सगळं करता येतं का विचारलं. आपल्याला हे सगळं करता आलं. आता आपण हे सॉन्ग मधून ऐकलं. आता अजून एक ऍक्टिव्हिटी आपण करूया. Let's see what is the next activity in this poem. So this is activity number 2. Form pairs. Form pairs means you have to sit or stand in two. दोघा दोघांची एक जोडी करायची. Enact the following conversations. आणि आता खाली आपण एक काही आपल्याला कन्व्हर्सेशन्स दिले आहेत पुस्तकामध्ये पेज नंबर 19 वर. ओके. संवाद दिलेत आणि ते संवाद आपण म्हणायचे. ओके. एनॅक्ट हावभाव करून बोलायचे. आता तुमची शाळा बंद आहे. वी आर ऑल ॲट होम, राईट. पण शाळा सुरू झाल्यानंतर वर्गातल्या मित्रमैत्रिणींबरोबर तुम्ही हे करू शकता, किंवा सध्या तुम्ही घरी आहात तर तुमच्या ताई दादा बरोबर सुद्धा तुम्ही ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी करू शकता. सो सिट इन टू अँड एनॅक्ट द फॉलोइंग कन्व्हर्सेशन. नाउ आय विल शो यू वन बाय वन. You listen carefully and repeat after me and enact or say in that same tone or with same tone. Okay. So there are two children. We can name them Radha and Rohit. Okay. Now what Radha is asking to Rohit? Radha is asking him, can you swim? We have just now seen how the fish is swimming. Now what is Rohit's answer? Yes, I can. If someone asks you the question with can, then you will answer in this way. कोणी तुम्हाला can नी प्रश्न विचारला तर तुम्ही असं उत्तर द्यायचं किंवा तुम्ही प्रश्न विचारायचा. ओके? Can you swim? Yes, I can. How Rohit is answering Radha? Yes, I can. Now, next question. Now we have added one more question in this activity. इकडे मी तुम्हाला आणखीन एक टाईपचा क्वेश्चन दाखवलाय की कसा आपण विचारू शकतो. So the next question. Now here Raju is asking to Mohan. What Raju is asking? Can you dance? Mohan is saying yes, I can, and Mohan is showing him that how he is dancing. बघा राजूने मोहनला विचारलंय तुला डान्स येतो का? तो म्हणतो येस आय कॅन अँड ही इज डान्सिंग देअर. कॅन यू डान्स? येस आय कॅन. कसं उत्तर द्यायचं आणि प्रश्न कसा विचारायचा दोन्ही नीट ऐका. कॅन यू डान्स? येस आय कॅन. नाव next question, but answer is different. Let's practice it. Now there is again two children. There is Madhu and there is Meeta. Okay? So what Madhu is asking to Meeta? Madhu is asking, can you speak English? He is asking to her, can you speak English? Then what is Meeta's answer? Listen carefully. A little. Can you speak English? A little. तो तिला विचारतो की तुला इंग्लिश बोलता येतं का? ती म्हणते थोडं थोडं येतं. A little. Okay, listen carefully. I'll say it again. Can you speak English? A little. Now we will practice same question with different situation. Now here is Riya and here is Priya. Riya and Priya. What Riya is asking to Priya? Can you read English? Now Madhu asks Meeta that can you speak English? Now here Riya is asking to Priya, can you read English? Then what Priya is answering? A little. What is Priya's answer? A little. रिया प्रियाला विचारते तुला इंग्लिश वाचता येतं का? ती म्हणते हो येतं ना पण थोडं थोडं येतं. कॅन यू रीड इंग्लिश? अ लिटल. नाव आस्किंग क्वेश्चन विथ द सेम वर्ड कॅन बट डिफरंट आन्सर. आपण वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारे कसं उत्तर द्यायचं हे शिकतोय आणि कॅननी प्रश्न कसं विचारायचं हेही शिकतोय. वी आर प्रॅक्टिसिंग इट. नेक्स्ट again Riya is there and now there is Rudra. Okay, now what Riya and Rudra is talking? What Riya is asking to Rudra? Can you read Marathi? She is asking him, can you read Marathi? Then he says yes easily. ती त्याला विचारते तुला मराठी वाचता येतं का? तो म्हणतो हो अगदी सहज मला वाचता येतं. कॅन यू रीड मराठी? येस इझिली. मराठी तर आपण सगळे छान वाचतो की नाही? कॅन यू रीड मराठी? येस इझिली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. देयर इज राज asking to Ramola. What Raj is asking to Ramola? What Ramola is doing? Look at her. Can you draw pictures? Now see, Raj saw Ramola is drawing pictures, so he is asking her, can you draw pictures? तुला येतात का चित्र काढता? Can you draw pictures? Then what Ramola says? Yes, easily. कसं उत्तर द्यायचं बघा? Yes, easily. हो, काही काही जणांचा तुमच्यामध्ये पण ड्रॉइंग खूप छान असतं ना, सहज ड्रॉइंग काढता की नाही तुम्ही? So, can you draw pictures? Yes, easily. Right? So in this way, even you can practice this question with your brothers or sisters or with your friends when the school will reopen. So in today's session we have learned a very funny song, Can You? We have learned that song, you people have listened to that, you have repeated after me, then you have did the actions, and then we have practiced some question and answers. So that's all for today. तुम्ही हा व्हिडिओ पुन्हा पुन्हा पहा आणि प्रश्न उत्तर कसे बोलायचं त्याची प्रॅक्टिस करा. ओके, सी यू इन नेक्स्ट सेशन विथ न्यू ऍक्टिव्हिटी. टिल देन बाय बाय, टेक केअर.